There is a planet 63 light-years from Earth that looks almost exactly like a blue marble in space. But it has no oceans, no calm sky, no second Earth. This world is blue because its atmosphere may be filled with molten glass, raining sideways in winds faster than anything on our planet. This is HD 189733b, one of the most terrifying worlds ever discovered. From far away, HD 189733b looks almost beautiful. A deep cobalt blue world shining in the dark, only about 63 light-years from Earth. If you saw it in an image, you might think of oceans, skies, maybe even another version of home. But that blue is a warning, not an invitation. This planet is not blue because of water. It is blue because its atmosphere is scorched, hazy, and filled with tiny silicate particles. On Earth, silicates help make sand and glass. On this world, they are lifted into clouds, melted by heat, and thrown through the atmosphere like microscopic blades. HD 189733b belongs to a class of planets called hot Jupiters. These are gas giants, similar in size to Jupiter, but orbiting terrifyingly close to their stars. This one circles its star in just over 2 Earth days. A year there is shorter than a weekend on Earth. That closeness changes everything. The planet is blasted by stellar radiation, heated to temperatures that can rise above 1000 degrees Celsius. There is no solid surface to stand on, no calm sky, no ocean, no shelter. Just a vast atmosphere being cooked from above and crushed from within. And then comes the rain. Not water, not acid, possibly molten glass. In the upper atmosphere, silicate particles can condense into tiny glass-like droplets. But they do not fall gently downward. The winds are too violent for that. On HD 189733b, the rain is believed to slash sideways. The winds may scream around the planet at thousands of kilometers per hour, faster than anything weather can do on Earth. Imagine a storm where the air itself moves faster than a rifle bullet, carrying burning glass through a sky hot enough to melt metal. This is what makes the planet so disturbing. From space it looks calm, blue, almost familiar. But if a spacecraft could sink into those clouds, the illusion would vanish instantly. The beautiful color would become a death sentence, a blue atmosphere filled with heat, pressure, and glass. Even the planet's orbit is extreme. HD 189733b is so close to its star that it is likely tidally locked, with one side always facing the light and the other turned toward darkness. One hemisphere is endlessly burned. The other never sees sunrise. Between those two halves, the atmosphere tries to move heat around the planet. That struggle creates brutal winds, violent circulation, and weather patterns so alien that Earth has nothing truly comparable. This is not a storm you wait out. This is a planet-sized engine of destruction. And yet HD 189733b is one of the most studied exoplanets we know. Because it passes in front of its star from our point of view, telescopes can watch starlight filter through its atmosphere. In that tiny change of light, scientists can read traces of chemistry from 63 light-years away. That is how we know the blue is not ocean blue. Hubble measured the planet's visible color, and the answer was stunning. The world really is blue, but not the gentle blue of Earth. It is the blue of a blowtorched atmosphere where glass particles scatter light. There is something almost cruel about that. Earth is blue because it is alive with oceans. HD 189733b is blue because it is hostile beyond imagination. Two worlds can wear the same color and mean completely different things. Later observations revealed even more about its atmosphere. Scientists have studied water vapor, carbon monoxide, and other molecules there, not because the planet is habitable, but because it is close, large, and extreme enough to become a laboratory for alien weather. HD 189733b teaches us a brutal lesson. A planet can look familiar and still be deadly. Color can lie. Distance can soften horror. And the universe is filled with worlds that would be beautiful only from very, very far away. So the next time you see a peaceful blue dot in space, remember this one. A planet where the sky may rain glass sideways, where winds scream faster than sound, and where beauty is just the mask worn by one of the most violent worlds we have ever found. HD 189733b is beautiful only from a distance. A blue world that looks almost familiar, until science shows us what that blue really means. Height, wind, glass, and a sky that would tear anything apart. Subscribe to Aphelion for more real worlds that sound impossible, and until next time, keep looking up.